everyone. Do you need to use Klarna at Best Buy? Now let me walk you through how to pay with the Klarna digital card. So now let's get started. First, open the Klarna app on your phone. Now if you don't have an account, create one and set up your payment method. Go to the My Klarna section and choose Create a Digital Card. Enter the total amount for your Best Buy purchase and confirm. Now once your digital card is generated, add it to your Apple Pay or Google Pay wallet. Klarna will give you the detailed instructions on how to do this. Now, head to Best Buy, either online or in store. When you are ready to check out, select Apple Pay or Google Pay as your payment method and use the Klarna digital card. And that is how you can shop at Best Buy using Klarna. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.